Hey everyone, welcome to another video on the Nobra Motorsports channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove the air conditioning vents. This tutorial might be handy, for instance, if you ever want to change the airflow, recolor the interior, install a cell phone holder, or replace a broken air vent. So basically you're going to need a plastic key. You'll slot it behind the vent and pry it forward. I recommend you pull it slightly from each side, then from the top, so you can remove it safely without risking damage. As soon as it pops out a bit and comes off the panel slightly, you can grab and pull them both at once if both are loose. One cool thing about Audi is that their vents come with a quality finish. Here's the foam finish, which I think is a neat feature. When you open and close the air vent, it's this flap here that does the job. See, when you turn it, it closes. Turn it again, it opens the air outlet. That's the action of turning it to one side and the other. These small clips here apply pressure to make sure it all stays in place. Here's the cell phone holder that I use, and as you see, these are the air conditioning ducts. Inside the ducts, we have a screw at the bottom going up on both sides. This is an important part because if you ever want to remove this screen here, the one that goes up on the panel, you will need to remove both air conditioning vents and unscrew these screws. If you loosen the one on this side and this side, then pull, using a lever on the side here, you'll be able to remove this plastic finish on top of the screen. Then you'll be able to remove the entire screen system from above. But to remove the screen, you must first loosen these two screws. Without doing so, the screen will not be able to come out. Now, reassembly is essential, of course. Make sure it's properly oriented at the top before you slot it in. Reassembly is very quick and straightforward. This is a very quick assembly and disassembly guide. You just have to push it back in and you're good to go. It's already functioning, opening and closing the air vents smoothly. This tutorial will even be helpful for people who purchase the newer A3, the A3 model 18, 19 or 20 specifically. If I'm not mistaken, they removed the option for you to pull it back and forth here to direct the air straight to your face. When you push it back, it dispenses the air to avoid drying out your eyes. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to remove this bar here. Sometimes someone may want to replace a button here, right? The light burned out or something like that. I will show you how it's easy to remove this little bar here. Let's see in a while. I can't recall how to dismantle the air conditioning now. If I remember, I'll disassemble it here and show you how this part of the air is installed. I know that there are many people who sometimes have manual air conditioning, unlike this sophisticated one that you are seeing. People want to upgrade it to digital, ideally dual zone, and I'll show you how to remove this piece and replace it with another one. I'm not certain if it's a plug-and-play scenario because I've never done this modification before. I don't know if the wiring is the same. I'll show you later. Moving forward, I'll remove this and show you the harness plug so you can have an idea. If you have a non-digital air conditioning system, you can compare it with the video. In the subsequent video, when I disassemble it, you can compare and see what you think, see if it is the same plug, and judge if the installation process is easy or not, alright? So, I'm making a series of videos here. As we're in a pandemic, we can't record in a workshop, we can't record in many places, mainly to avoid contact, avoid contracting COVID-19 and everything else. So, I'm creating a series of assembly and disassembly videos so that people can both learn about Audi's finish, which we can't normally see as it is internal, and also understand how assembly and disassembly is carried out. I know this will be beneficial for many people who sometimes work in sound stores, or people who work with accessories that involve disassembling and assembling a car. There are also some who want to retrofit, like replacing the new air outlet with this older one. Is there this option, or can you replace this air outlet with another one since it's all scratched? Well, just like many other things. Okay? So, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope these videos are helping you. If there's anything else about an Audi that you wish to learn, such as how to dismantle it or anything specific you need, drop a comment and let me know. And do you have the courage to dismantle your A3? That's it, guys. I'm very grateful that you spent time here watching the video. I only ask that you like it, share this video so that we can continue doing this kind of content. And that's it, guys. Big hugs to everyone. Goodbye.